Everyone. In this video, I'll talk about Indo-Sri Lanka relations. So, India and Sri Lanka share a deep-rooted, multifaceted partnership grounded in over 2005 years of cultural and religious ties. Sri Lanka is just 30 nautical miles away from the Indian territories, making it India's closest maritime neighbor. In 1972, when Sri Lankan government has favored Sinhala and the Buddhist communities along with its educational policies, and then LTT was formed in 1976, leading to a massive civil war in 1983. During that time, India has launched Operation Pawn for many years, and finally, the crisis and the civil war ended in 2009. And India has also invested and given a many food relief, construction of many houses, food, medicine, etc. at that time. So we'll talk about the cooperation between both the countries. The cooperation includes the India is the first responder in any of the natural calamities. Recent being the Operation Sagar Bandhu when Cyclone Ditwa was there in Sri Lanka. So other cooperations include the India and Sri Lanka has the bilateral trade of $5.5 billion, in which there was a FTA also which signed in 2010. And the additionally recent financial crisis, India was the important pillar to support the construction and the development between the country. And also it has seen that how India's line of credit and developmental projects has helped Sri Lanka overcome the financial crisis, and India is one of the largest developmental credit for the infrastructure development in Sri Lanka. And India is the largest trading partner of Sri Lanka and also the largest source of foreign direct investment for Sri Lanka. So we'll talk about the maritime and the defense deal. India being very close to Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka hold a very strategic importance in the maritime security, also part of Mahasagar and the Sagar initiative and many other to ensure security in the Indian Ocean region. So India and Sri Lanka also have military exercises such as the Mitra, Shakti and Slynex. And challenges between both the countries include: first, fishermen crossing the high seas and the international territory border; second, the Kachchathivui Island, with which sovereignty is still disputed and questioned; and third is Sri Lanka being very close with China, like Hambantota Port, recent example of that. So India need to closely watch